to this lovely lodge down at Unity. Absolutely stunning. This is number 10 on the country club, guys. Okay, just want to show it to you quickly. Absolutely beautiful. The beautiful thing about this lodge, guys, okay, is the location. Yeah, you've got the swans out there, look. This is your decking. This is for sale, guys. 149. Next to me, yeah. 149,000 for sale, with the swans outside your front door nesting. That beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So you've got a big decking down the side as well. Right the way down the side. It's a bit windy, guys. Yeah, number 10, the country club. 3-bedroom lodge, up for sale. Any interest, let me know. Beautiful, isn't it? My friend is staying here for one night. Look at that. Yeah. Big 3-bedroom with a bath in it. Ensuite. Ensuite, walk-in wardrobes. Walk-in showers. Yeah. Separate toilet, shower. You name it, it's got it. Absolutely beautiful. Big bedrooms as well, look at them. Yeah. Bath as well, guys. Full bath. Built-in kitchen. Yeah. 3-bedroom. It's stunning, isn't it? Charlie, I'm videoing your lodge, mate.
Beautiful, beautiful. Come with me.
Come with me. Come with me, guys. Anyway,
Come with
then.
me, guys.
Come with me, guys. Come with me. You're learning, you are?
Look at the beautiful swans.
I love those
Hey?
ones.
They're not plastic, they're real swans. Golf course in front of you. Only Florence Springs is better.
That's it. Where's that?
That's in Tenby.
That is
It's
a nice
Tenby
place,
in
Florence
South Wales.
Springs. Go
Beautiful
there on
swans,
holiday,
aren't they?
guys, as well.
But we haven't got swans at Florence Springs.
We just get some
We got
plastic
this.
ones.
We got some geese.
They're robotic, them. Batteries in them.
What have you?
Anyway, guys,
It's like Augusta.
isn't it nice? What a beautiful view today. Look at that. Big family table there, look, Charles. You should have brought the wife and kids. There's enough room in here. Didn't you?
It is lovely to take the wife and children. Play golf.
I love
You
that.
have the fun fair with some fish and chips.
Anyway, guys, you want any details? I'm going to stick this one on the old TikTok site, okay, Charlie? You'll have to, what is it called? Claiming rights, whatever you call it, copyrighted with Charlie, isn't it? There you go, guys. Have a nice day.